Unpacking my suitcase. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and I'd like to welcome you all to my channel. And as you see, we are now at our RV spot, and this is Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and it's hosted by Sunday Dawn. So my tiny tidy for this Tuesday is going to be putting my clothes in my closet so I can be organized to start my summer. The bedroom's a much smaller area, but that's okay. And I just put those clothes down in the clothes hamper. There we go. These are my pajamas for tonight. Stick them under the pillow. Okay. I put my clothes in the closet. And that's always a chore. Let's see what I can do. This is another one of those. And I'm going to put a cooler top on. I left a few clothes in this closet, so I do have some of my things for camping out here in the closet. So we'll get it all sorted out and organized. There. Whew. That feels better. Got a cooler top on. Okay, I like these for the morning. Okay. Let's see the jacket. Okay, let's get this stuff put away. I do my cupboards all the time, so I can never quite get them where I want them. Or how I want them. It's bathing suit. Don't need that yet. It's not warm enough out. And pajamas and socks. Pair of shorts. Back there. Now this is a sweatshirt. That keeps me nice and warm. And some more capris. Another t-shirt. And these have got longer sleeves. They're for kayaking. And this is long pants for night. And these are my morning routine. And these are all my capes I like to wear when it gets chillier out. So we're just gonna, I think I'm gonna stick them up there. Oops, close you. Okay. My neighbor was having a garage sale, and she had a cape hanging there, so I thought perfect, and it's nice and warm and fuzzy, and it'll be great for sitting around the campfire. So we're going for a walk in the evening. So I bought one. She says, "Oh, I've got two," so I bought both of them, and they're going to be nice for wearing in the evening. Perfect. I think I'll stick this up here because I probably won't wear it much. There. That's done. And this can go out in the van. When David comes back.
Okay, I'll stick a couple things under here. A pillow. And this
I would like it if you would subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and say hello so I can say hello back. And thank you again.
Shoot. It's not going down.
Under the bed is kind of untidy, so I will have to do a tiny tidy on this little spot. There's lots of room under there, but it needs to be organized. So, it will get organized.
This is the board. That's better. And the dog's got the bed dirty already. Okay, let's get rid of the suitcase and my suitcase. Beds.
Well, that's my tiny tidy for this Tuesday. Thank you again, Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home. And please don't forget about the playlist that's in my comments so everyone can watch. And I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome. And a big YouTube hug to all my regulars. I really do appreciate you. Thank you, thank you. See you in my next one. Bye.